crypto offers huge opportunities. Control of your own finances, for example. But crypto also offers another kind of opportunity that's less welcome. The opportunity it gives to hackers. Digital thieves have had a big year in 2021, stealing $3.2 billion worth of cryptocurrency. And guess what? Yeah, 2022, that's set to beat that. The bad guys like to target crypto exchanges because one single breach could net them the assets of thousands of users who leave their crypto on that exchange. They're hackable because they tend to have open source code libraries. Even though exchanges do invest in protection, the hottest hackers can breach your security walls in an instant. And I've been taking a deep dive into the crypto hack history, and these are my all-time top 5. As you brace yourself for today's hack attack, some of you have been watching but not liking. So don't forget to like this video, okay? Comment and as well subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's time for you to chill and listen up. The OG of crypto hacks, this was the first one that really hit the headlines. Founded in 2010, Tokyo-based exchange Mt. Gox was more than just a big player in the cryptocurrency world. By 2014, it was handling about 70 to 80% of the world's Bitcoin transactions. They're pretty much a global crypto titan back then, but all was not what it seemed. There was in fact problems from very early on. In June of 2011, hackers got a hold of Mt. Gox auditor's computer and changed the price of Bitcoin to just 1 cent. Not on the blockchain, but on the exchange. Then they started buying Bitcoin at this artificial price using the private hot wallet keys of Mt. Gox customers, obtaining about 2,000 Bitcoin. But it wasn't even until like February of 2014 that it was clear that Mt. Gox has been getting cleaned out. The exchange then suspended withdrawals after reporting that it had lost anywhere between 650 to 850,000 Bitcoin. At the time, it was worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Today, we're talking about tens of billions. While it was later able to locate 200,000 BTC, the missing crypto caused a Bitcoin crash because Mt. Gox had such a huge role in the crypto market. And there was speculation that Russian hackers were responsible and had exploited several loopholes in the company's code. It turned out the culprits had been skimming Bitcoins from customers' accounts for years. Word started to spread about mismanagement at the exchange. It filed for bankruptcy and it was liquidated in April 2014. With around 120 million users worldwide, Binance is a cryptocurrency whale, processing trades worth hundreds of billions of dollars per month. But despite being the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange with state-of-the-art security, Binance isn't immune to digital dodginess. In May 2019, hackers stole 7,000 Bitcoins from the company's hot wallet, which was estimated to be worth $40.7 million. All the missing Bitcoins were linked to a single cryptocurrency wallet. The attackers managed to break into Binance's security systems, obtaining key information like KYC and even including two-factor authentication codes and APIs. The exchange announced it would reimburse losses through its Secure Asset Fund for Users, also known as SAFU. In 2019, Binance was by far the biggest name to be attacked. There have also been reports that the exchange is itself a hub for hackers and scammers to move funds through because of its size. Crypto researcher Chain Analysis concluded in a 2020 report that Binance received more criminal funds than any other crypto exchange. Binance CEO CZ, one of the richest guys in crypto, accused Chain Analysis on Twitter of bad business etiquette. In hitting back at the critics, the exchange claims to be building the most sophisticated cyber forensics team on the planet. A breathtaking attack which saw more than 600 million worth of tokens stolen in August 2021. The Poly Network is a DeFi project that lets users swap crypto from one digital ledger to another. The heist exploited a flaw in the network's code, which allowed the attackers to transfer the assets to their own crypto wallets. But this is a great twist. The thief didn't make off with all of those dirty gains. They offered to give back most of the money except for $33 million of Tether, which had been frozen by the issuers. But wait, there's more, another plot twist. $200 million of the stolen funds were trapped in an account that required a password from both the hacker and Poly Network. And for a while, the hacker refused to hand over their password. That was until Poly Network coughed up a $500,000 sweetener to the hacker for finding the flaws in the system. And guess what? They even offered them a job. The network later revealed that the so-called Mr. White Hat had finally given them the private key to restore the funds. In the biggest hack of 2016, the Hong Kong-based exchange had almost 120,000 Bitcoin stolen in unauthorized withdrawals from users' wallets. At the time, that was valued at $71 million. But over the next few years, Bitcoin skyrocketed and the thief was worth billions. Bitfinex launched a huge investigation and constantly tracked the movement of the stolen Bitcoin with the help of security authorities in the United States. 6 years later, they made a breakthrough. In February 2022, the US Department of Justice arrested a couple trying to launder billions of dollars worth of stolen cryptocurrency. They were tech entrepreneurs Ilya Dutch Lichtenstein and his wife, the larger-than-life, self-styled crocodile of Wall Street, Heather Morgan. It's a coin toss right now to what I think is more shocking. The size of the hack or Heather Morgan. She had an online alter ego, a rapper going by the name of Razzlecan. All right, I'm gonna be the judge here, and I'm gonna say that is one of the biggest crimes in the history of crypto, crimes against music. And please be ready for the biggest crypto hack ever. In March 2022, thieves stole about 625 million in cryptocurrencies from the Ronin network, an Ethereum sidechain that powers Axie Infinity, which is a hugely popular play-to-earn game. Sky Mavis, the game developers, revealed that 173,600 Ether tokens and 25.5 million USD coin have been siphoned off by hackers in just 2 transactions. The breach occurred on the Ronin bridge, which enables users to transfer their assets from other ecosystems into Ronin and vice versa. It's been said that the hackers were able to take control of the nodes that verify transactions on Ronin by targeting Sky Mavis employees in a phishing attack. And I talked about how to avoid that in another video on the channel. So to be safe about phishing attacks, make sure you go watch that video. They reportedly sent out fake job ads over LinkedIn. Eventually, a senior engineer took the bait and clicked a PDF to accept one, giving the hackers access to their computer and setting the breach in motion. Come on, never click on those weird links, right? According to reports, the US government has identified that the attack was by the North Korean cybercrime group named Lazarus. And their aim was to steal crypto to help Kim Jong-un fund the country's nuclear weapons program. After the attack, mega exchange Binance rode to the rescue by supporting Ronin with $150 million in USD. And the ill-fated Ronin bridge, that now been fitted with kind of a circuit breaker system to prevent suspicious users from making unusually large withdrawals in the future. I hope you got a kick out of this film. Make sure you do give it a like, you give it a comment, and you also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out all of our other videos on the world of crypto.